Hello guys, welcome to my channel LingLit Hub. Hope so you all are doing great. So in this video I am going to discuss future tense. In my previous videos I have discussed about past tenses and present tenses, and from today I am going to discuss the future tenses. So future tenses is the one which refers to anything happens in the future. It has four types: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. In this video, I am going to discuss future indefinite tense and future continuous tense. And in my next video, I will discuss future perfect and future perfect continuous tenses. So let's start. Future indefinite tenses. For what purposes we use future indefinite tenses? We use it for three purposes. When we want to express anything happen in the future as a fact. When we want to describe fact about the future, we use future indefinite tense. For example, we will know our exam results in May. So this is the future. We are referring to the future and a fact, so we use future indefinite. Second, talk about things we believe happen in the future. When we want to state about things we believe, we think, and we assume about the future, we use future indefinite tense. For example, I'm sure Sarah will win the match. When we have to use I think, probably, or I believe, then we use future indefinite tense. Third is when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. For example, it is raining. I will take an umbrella. Now we are speaking that it is raining, and then we decide that we should have an umbrella. So we use future indefinite tense to tell that we need an umbrella. So when we take decisions during speaking, we use future indefinite tense for that. Now structure. You will use subject, we, I am sure Sarah, and it is raining, I will, I. It is subject. Will and shall, we will use will or shall. Mostly will is used, but with I we use shall. And then first form of verb, and then the object, means the last part of the sentence. This is the structure of the future indefinite tense. Now future continuous tense. When we refer to action happening in the future, when a continuous action will happen in the future, we use future continuous tense for this. The structure will be subject, will be or shall be. We will use shall be with the I, and will be, shall be. First form of verb with ing and object. Example, I will be reading whole night. Now I am telling that an action will happen in the future and it will be a continuous action. Whole night I will be reading. So we use future continuous tense. This is all about these two tenses. Do subscribe my channel so that you can learn about future perfect and future perfect continuous. Thank you so much.